holding us back. It's not fair to me. It's not fair to our employees. You have to decide to fix it. If the Brixton continues the way it's going, Tim and I might not be able to
Oh,
I don't think that
that was so sweet.
Together.
That's so sweet. Do you love Daddy?
Everything's great because it's not.
Oh, you love your Daddy.
I'll help you. You're looking at a crime that she's frozen. You lost your credibility.
Hi, Blake. Hi, birthdays. The daddies. Aww. Say Happy Father's Day, Blake. Say Happy Father's Day, Daddy. Say I just drool all over you.
No, when the drool starts to fall, I just move them over to you.
You did that the other day.
That's what I was saying. That's exactly what I did. Oh, so you climbed up on the couch. Where are you trying to go, dude?
Says I'm gonna go to Mommy.
We're just gonna let you hang around right there.
Hi, birthdays. What you doing? Say bye-byes. Say bye-byes.